In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Olima's tire repair kit. Before we start, make sure that you do not shut down your car engine. First, unravel the hose at the back of the inflator. And screw it tightly onto the sealant bottom. Then, lock the bottle onto the inflator. Second, remove the valve cap and screw the hose tightly onto the valve. Third, unravel the wire and plug it into the cigarette lighter inside the car. Then, turn on the inflator. Fill to your vehicle's recommended pressure. It's important to check the owner's manual for the correct pressure level for your vehicle. At this time, it releases sealant that seeps out and seals the punctures. Once the tire pressure has been achieved, disconnect the system. And reinstall the valve cap. Now you've repaired your tire and you are on your way.